Yeah, bro.
Yeah, where are you? Why didn't you come to party yesterday?
Just like that, yeah.
All well.
Sheena is having an extramarital affair with the office guy, bro.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah, man. She logged into her WhatsApp on my laptop and forgot to log out. And few days back, I read all her love chats with her boyfriend.
I don't know what to say.
There's no point being honest in these relationships, bro. I've downloaded a few dating apps. Now I'll have fun.
Yeah, that's the perfect revenge. That's what she deserves.
Yes, bro. She deserves this. And now she'll know how it feels to be cheated upon.
Right.
I'll talk to you later, man.
Yeah, you take care.
Bye.
Niju, are you busy? I really need to talk to you.
Yeah, tell me.
My husband is cheating on me. I saw his and this some random girls, intimate pictures in his phone last night.
Did you talk to him?
No, of course not. But I'm planning to tell my family and his family. Even he should feel the embarrassment.
Yes, and tell this to his friends also. Teach him a good lesson.
Exactly what I was thinking. This is what I'm going to do.
Bhai, I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say this, but Deepak is cheating on me.
What? I mean, since when?
I caught him with a girl last month. I've been dealing with it since, but I just feel so dead from inside, bhai. I can't sleep, I can't eat, I can't do any work. I feel so blank. Maybe it's my fault. I've put on weight, I don't look good anymore.
Yeah, maybe that's the reason, it happens. He's your husband. I think you should go and talk to him. Try to resolve this and, no point taking this further. So just try to resolve it and just forget it.
You're right, bhai. I think
This is a story of couples getting cheated by their partners. Usually their reactions are confused, angry, and really negative. Let's flip this story to the positive side and see again.
There's no point being honest in these relationships. I've downloaded few dating apps. Now I'll also have fun.
Are you mad? Do you really think this revenge is going to make you happy?
And do you really think I care right now?
It's not about that. This is going to make you guilty. Why do you have to go through this? If you don't want this relationship, just end it. This is not the way to handle it. Please act maturely.
I think you're right, bro. I'll sort this out, I promise.
Please do, and take care of yourself.
Even he should feel the embarrassment.
Well, frankly speaking, I don't think this is the way to go about it. At least go ahead and talk to him.
Why are you taking his side?
I'm not taking his side. It's completely up to you whether you punish him or forgive him. But just imagine if you decide to forgive him and after some time, it will be really embarrassing for both of you. People are just going to have gossips about this thing. Do you really want to be in that space?
Yeah, you are right. I'll go home and talk to him once.
Yes, do that and try to resolve it.
Thanks.
I've put on weight, I don't look good anymore.
Do you even understand what you're saying?
I saw her pictures. She was very pretty and slim, and even if I leave him, where will I go, bhai?
Excuse me? Your husband has cheated on you and you are blaming it on yourself. Have you lost it? I mean, it's not making any sense. You're punishing yourself. He's the person who should go through all this.
Should I leave him then?
See, that's completely your call. You want to leave him, just leave him. All I want to tell you is this is not your mistake. And I'm here as a family to support you. Okay?
I feel better. I'll speak to him.
Cheating is a very sensitive topic. The person who gets cheated on might suffer for a lifetime. So all I want to tell you guys is take it easy. Do not suffer. See this whole situation like an accident. You can either try and resolve it by crying, being angry, being negative, or try to be calm and positive. In short, all I'm trying to tell you is this is not your fault. Be brave. Whether you want to live with this person or leave, it's completely your choice. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and be positive.